Hello everyone, I'm back with a unique breakfast recipe for you today. And all my regular viewers might remember sometime back I had started this series, Breakfast Ideas with Eggs. So we are going to make baked avocado eggs today. It's really a very interesting recipe and a treat for avocado lovers. We are going to bake the eggs in the avocado halves, and for toppings you have varieties of ingredients like cherry tomatoes, chicken, salami, bacon bits, and sprinkle any herbs, chili flakes, whatever you like, and you can bake and enjoy these baked avocado eggs. We have taken one ripe but firm avocado, 2 eggs, salt to taste, some chili flakes as needed, cherry tomatoes sliced, chicken salami shredded. You could also use ham or bacon bits instead. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. Now let us cut the avocado into two lengthwise. Twist it to separate them. Now insert the knife, pierce it into the seed and twist it to remove. This is the tip how to de-seed the avocado. Place them in the baking tray. Now we are going to scoop out little pulp. Because avocados are small, we have to make enough room for the egg to fit in. But we will not throw this away. We can use it to make sandwiches, or you can even knead the dough also with this pulp. It's got a nice and buttery texture. Tastes very good on the bread toast also. Now break the egg in a bowl, placing a small ladle there. This is the tip I'm following because the egg will not fit into this avocado. So this way we can insert the egg yolk and sufficient egg white. Now repeat the same with the other half. Break another egg. And fill it into the avocado shell. If there is little room, we can also pour some egg white into it. Now let's garnish them. First you season with little salt, one half I'm placing the cherry tomato slices. You can use any topping of your choice. There are endless number of ingredients that you can garnish them with. Cherry tomatoes, fresh or dry herbs. Second one I'm using chicken salami. Whatever's available at home. Sprinkle little chili flakes on them. If you don't like chili flakes, you can go for black pepper, crushed black pepper, or dry herbs, pizza seasoning, whatever you like. They are ready to go into the oven for baking. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200°C for 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes for runny yolk and 20 for firm. Here is the pulp, avocado pulp that we removed, and egg white. I have made omelette adding the remaining shredded chicken salami to it. We will make sandwiches to go with the avocado eggs. Makes a complete filling breakfast. You can use normal sliced bread or pav bread. I have got some whole wheat pav bread. We'll spread this smashed avocado pulp on them. It has got a buttery texture, so we don't need any butter on them. Even on a normal toasted slice of bread, you can spread this and season it with salt, pepper, and enjoy the toast. It's just enough for all the 4 slices. Now place this half egg and the other half of the bread on it, and the sandwich is ready. You can serve them as they are, soft and nice, or you can roast them little bit on a pan. grill pan. So here we have the avocado eggs are done. I've cooked them to a well done texture, so nice and firm. As I mentioned earlier, if you like sunny side up, you can even bake them less, say for 12 to 15 minutes, and enjoy the runny yolk. Serve them with the sandwiches. I have toasted them lightly on the grill pan. Enjoy the scrumptious breakfast. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see such yummy delicious recipes. Tasting time. Such a yummy breakfast. Some juice, avocado baked eggs, sandwiches. What more do we need? Look at this. So well done. Nice and firm texture of the eggs. I like them this way. Mmm, so tasty. The buttery texture of the avocado is so nice. Friends, thanks for watching. Check out these videos as well and stay tuned for the next recipe.